Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Flam Liao Liao, chapter 115. So here it is. Let's read the story. Song said, "Mom, why are you here?" The two of them surprised. Song mom suddenly appeared. "Come on, I'll go first," Peiyu said to Song, but right now she don't want to let go her hands. Still, she was grabbing her hands, and don't let go. Well, of course, did she really want to tell her mom? The two of them are finally together. If you don't go back to your home at night, what are you doing with people? Her mom seems to be getting angry. Her dad and I were very worried about the news on the internet. I'm afraid that you will not report good news. It turns out that my parents also saw it. During this time, I saw that about dealing with these things and did get in touch with my family. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm worried about you. However, the follow-up also came out, and the person who spread the rumors are also apologized. As for me and Pei Hao, oh, did she really want to tell her mom? Look at her, she looks really serious. And Peiyu, she was looking at her, a little bit nervous. Song said, "We are in love. It's off." Well, her mother seems to be surprised and said, "What?" Of course, they've been not seeing each other, but when they see each other's right now, the news is really getting too tough. "Mom, let me introduce you again," Song said to her. "Pei, my girlfriend." Oh, Peiyu, right now. She was blushing. Of course, she must be really happy, but Song's mom, what nonsense are you talking about? Let's go home. Come home with me now. Her mom is asking her to go home. I see that you're really crazy. Open your mouth and shut up. It's all crazy talk. And I'm done. But still, this is our family affairs. You better not interfere. Song mom, she looks getting angry. But looking at Feiyu, she left alone on the room. Well, what will happen to Song? It seems that her mom is not accepting her. You know what you are talking about? Her mom is walking around the house. Now, looking at Song. You and Feiyu, you are both. Mom, you calm. Pay attention. Your body, how I am calm. You and Pei how? Well, definitely her mom. She really can accept this, but let's see. What is normal? Of course, it's men and women, like me and your dad. Well, that was tough. Shouldn't premise of falling in love and marriage be happy? You're happy when you are with your father, and I'm also happy to be together with that's enough. What is enough? Can be this the same? Of course, it was really different. They're not the same, but right now Song trying to explain. You and Dad want me to fall in love isn't just to complete the task. That's a common convention, so it doesn't matter whether it's the man or woman. Of course not. There's no one in the world who wants to be happy and happy for the children. Then we are friends. How could you think of us like this? Now her mom is really decided. Don't talk to me first. You let me calm down, her mom said to her. It seems that she's having a headache. Well, let's see if she already calmed down. That Peiyu and Song are really falling in love with each other. Right now, Peiyu was calling her, but Song, it's okay. Well, it seems that everything will settle down, but her mom is still not calming down. Mom loves me very much, so I love you too. Well, definitely she's trying to coax Peiyu. At this moment, Peiyu, she was really worried. Don't worry, just leave this to me, Song said to Peiyu. Well, let's see on what will happen. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!